यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, एक जुनून सा दिल में जगाना होता है। पूछा चिड़िया से कैसे बनाया आशियाना, बोली भरनी पड़ती है उड़ान बार बार, तिनका तिनका उठाना होता है। वेलकम एंड जय हिंद डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट्स। We Team Centurion is feeling immense proud to announce the first selection for our NDA 151 course from our NDA Girls Batch. Yes, मैं बात कर रही हूँ महिमा साजवान की, जिन्होंने अपने सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट में अपने एनडीए जैसे एग्जामिनेशन को भी क्रैक किया, साथ ही साथ अपनी एसएसबी को भी क्रैक किया है फॉर एनडीए 151 कोर्स। सो आइए देखते हैं कि किस तरह से टीम सेंचुरियन ने महिमा की अपनी इस सिलेक्शन में करी हेल्प, किस तरह की गाइडेंस लेकर उन्होंने अपने सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट में अपने रिटन प्लस एसएसबी दोनों को ही क्वालिफाई किया।
My name is Mahima Sajan. I am from Rishikesh, Uttarakhand, and I am in India entry. And what I have perceived from picture is that there are 6 to 7 characters of 19 to 20 year age. One of them is Adarsh, in a positive mood and 19-year-old. He is a college student. He has opted NCC in his college, and in the second year of his college, all these batchmates gave selections for the EBSB camp, Ek Bhaat Shreshth Bhaat camp of NCC, and 2 of their batchmates got selected in it, one Adarsh and one of another batchmate. The camp was organized in the mountainous area of Kordwar, Lansdowne Valley, where they have to attend their camp. Both of them were not so much aware about their camps, but they concerned it with their seniors, and their seniors told all the things about the camp, what the things are going to organize there, and also gave their responsibilities they have to fulfill there. So both of them attended their camps, and all the responsibilities they fulfilled there. Many of the volunteer work they did, and after having their day physical training, they were at the evening time they were at their tent, where when the others suddenly came to know that the NCC cadet which was given which was given for the food preparing for dinner got wounded in his physical training. Then he immediately rushed to him, gave him first aid, and volunteered for making the food with his group also, and with few of his group members also. Then they managed all the things that are required here, like woods from the forest and taking water from the
which they can apply while surviving in the conditions like jungle and mountains. Okay, gentlemen, let me just finalize our conclusions. Like we have perceived around 5 characters in the picture.
I have perceived 5 characters from the story. All are in the age group of 15 to 19 years old. All are in positive mood. The main character of my story is Shushmita, and the action of my story is village visit. One day Shushmita's mothers tell her to bring grass from the wood, and at the same time some of her friends, childhood friends who has gone to cities came to the village. And she decided that she will take the grass from the village and simultaneously will make her friends to visit the village sites. And they firstly they took the grass, and after that they go to the hilltop and the river banks and crop fields, where they see the beauty of the nature. At the last, when they are on the river bank, they sat under a banyan tree for taking some rest. And one of his friend go to the river and for taking some water, but slightly his leg slipped and he got down in the river. But as he knew swimming, he quickly swam and came to the bank. After that, they all relaxed, and after taking some rest in the evening time, they all came to their home. Thank you.
The situation in the picture is after. Means, see, I have told that they were playing. So the boys were accidentally in the stream swimming.
But they came here for playing.
Yeah, they came here for playing. Then they all accidentally fell into the river.
Shubham is 30-year-old and another character is 50-year-old in a neutral mood. Shubham with his father was running from the market to their village. When they was on their route to the village, they noticed a crowd that is gathered on the ground. Then they also noticed some of the trained officers and soldiers on the mid of the crowd. They were training all those adults. They were mainly adults. They were training all those adults about some of the basic techniques, about if someone attack them in a situation, what they will do. If someone hold them in their arms, how to get out of that arms. They were teaching them about some of the basic techniques on the sudden situations. After that, Shubham also went there and also learned those techniques from them. After coming back to their village, he decided to teach all those techniques to a basic schools, teenager childrens. Then he went to the school and taught them all what he has learned there. After that, he came home and was very happy about his day experience.